Good morning, everybody. It is actually early, a little bit later than I would have wanted. Turns out we're leaving a little bit later today, but that's okay. Just waiting for a text from my buddies when they leave, but thanks for stopping by. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day, night, evening, noon, brunch, whenever you guys are stopping by. Thanks for stopping by.
Tired to the gym right now. I'm going back to sleep. But I had to vlog because Nala scared the crap out of me. So fun fact about cats really quick. They are mimics and they will mimic sounds of birds. They will often will make sounds of babies to get people's attention. They will mimic sounds of, if cats live in yelling households, they will yell. And they will listen to you talk and interact with people in your household, and they will mimic those sounds, which is kind of scary that cats do that, but Nala pays attention to that, right? And when she doesn't think we're around, to, I guess, test the waters, I don't know, she walks around making people noises. It's terrifying because I'll just be sitting home, or Ty will just be sitting home, or Chase when he's watching her, and it'll just be quiet because she thinks no one's home, and then all of a sudden you hear like talking, and it's Nala. And so I was just now half asleep. I don't know where she got this from. Maybe I just whined too much, but I was half asleep and I hear like this like painful like crying. It's just like, it sounds like just painful wailing is what it sounds like. And I'm like, what is that noise? And I sit up really quick because it sounds like there's a toddler in my house. Like a toddler, somebody just like wailing in pain. I sit up super quick and I'm like, what is that? What is going on? And I hear it again and I'm like, Nala? And she just runs in all cute with her sheep in her mouth. Freaking mimics.
So just finished our workout. Chase had to leave a little bit early because he has work and we don't. But first workout, probably not the last, with all the fun tattoos that are going to be stuck there forever. I do not think these are coming off for a while, if I'm being completely honest. Yeah, those are going to be here for a minute. Like, I don't know if you could tell. Yeah, I've gone through multiple showers, pool, scrub some, they're stuck forever. Why did they block off the lane we were in? Why did they do that? Okay, so we had to go in this lane because the other lane was blocked off at the beginning. And then we go through and that lane was blocked off that we were in. So we had to switch lanes. So why did they, I don't know. I'm just so confused. But we're getting Chick-fil-A because there's one right down the street. And this guy said he wanted some. He's like, hey, can we stop by Chick-fil-A really quick? And I said, of course. So, just don't tell Danielle. She'll see us in like a week, so. See, the line's blocked off. And how ironic is it? It says drive through, both lanes open, and it's blocking the lane. Charlie, there you are. I couldn't find you. There you are. What were you doing back there? What were you doing? Come on, let's go cool off for a minute. What are you doing? So this guy and Mim Kitty, who's back there. Oh, there you are. There's the Mimkey. So she needs to just run around for a little bit, and you need to cool off, huh, buddy? Oh, Joey. So someone's gonna kind of hang out in here, let them cool off for a minute, run around, do their thing. So I'm just gonna be sitting here and doing a whole lot of nothing. Just watching them, make sure they don't get in any trouble, I guess. Because this one can be a troublemaker and get up on the counter and eat all the food. And you just want to lay down and be tired. So you're not too much of a problem. So I've been sitting for a minute. I went to the bathroom and now I came out and now Mim Kitty's gone. So now I gotta find her to put her away. And then once I do that, then we can go. So I've been looking for like 10 minutes and I have no idea where she could go. I cannot find Mim anywhere. But yeah, I don't know where she could be. I'm just hope she doesn't fall asleep because she will not give a crap if I'm looking for, and she's asleep. She'll just stay asleep and won't move. There you are. I was just looking for treats for you. I was gonna vlog once I found them, but I found you. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. No, 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 no. In here, in the room. I'm pointing, see, go in there. In there, go. Go in there, go. No, 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 let's go this way, come on, come on. Well, what if I go like this? What if I go, scoot, scoot, scoot. Yeah, there we go. I was texting Danielle and stuff. I was like, oh, what should we do? Well, I don't know where anything is. So I was texting her, okay, where are the, treats, where are this? And so I was looking for those, and she just ran up next to me. So, easy, I guess. Easy, just like 20 minutes later. Come on, Charlie. Come on. I know, you're not excited. I know, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So I'll fill up your water, and you got that. And you still have the garage if you need, and you have the pool that's open. So you have everything you could ever need as a dog outside. It'll be okay. Bye, Charlie. It was good hanging out. Bye. Okay, go in the shade. Bye, Charlie. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Not even the AC? Really? Why? Why? Okay. Okay, we can deal with this now. Because look what this is. It's not true. That's probably what it is inside this car. It's probably what it is inside the car. This is so unbelievably hot in here. I am literally gonna die. Okay, let's try it again. Turn it off. Why? Why? Why won't you work? Come on, come on. No AC this time. Oh, okay, this is okay. Why? 130. 130. So AC says it's full blast, but I swear it's just blowing hot air. Literally has been maybe a minute since I've just been sitting here. This is so rough. Okay, let's try it again. Why? Oh my gosh. This is the worst. I am literally sitting, the sun is like right here, shooting right into the windshield. Like, it is so bad. Okay, at least we have the, hair dryers. So I have the door open, as you guys can kind of see, because it is 15 degrees cooler. Outside is 112, 113-ish outside, and it's refreshing to open this door, which is ridiculous. Okay, so came back in seconds. My phone overheated, which is fantastic, and I was gonna just go, so I'm just open the garage. That way I need to come inside if I need to cool down a little bit, just close it when we're done. But then I remembered Charlie's in the garage. Fantastic. So now I don't know what to do, because I either need to go lock the door, keep coming back, going back and forth through the backyard. So my ingenious plan to actually keep my phone cool for a minute was bag of ice, and hopefully that keeps it cool enough, or that way if I need to I can just like press it against anything that needs to cool down. So we're gonna go back out and try it. Okay, let's try it again. I'm gonna lose my mind. I don't even know why half that stuff is up. This is gonna drive me crazy. Gonna drive me crazy. And my ice pack, which is kind of helping, I guess. This is so rough.
Okay, I wasn't expecting it to work as good as it did, but I got a heatless curler. So I had a heatless curler. I'll have to show you specifically what one when I go back upstairs. But it was like a foam heatless curler. And it looked terrible. Like, whenever I used it, it was like Shirley Temple curls all the way up here. Not good. And then I got a cloth one, and I didn't think it was gonna work, but it worked so well. I'm so happy with that. I didn't vlog it because I really thought it wasn't gonna look good. And I thought I was gonna have to wash my hair. But it looks so good. Also, I haven't come downstairs and vlogged yet because I was waiting to shower before I came downstairs. And so I've just been doing video research and honestly sitting on my phone and just things like that. And Ty texted me and said, the car won't start. I said, okay, do you need me to come get you? And he said, no, not yet. I said, okay, let me know when you need, these curls looked they worked so well. So well. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Anyway, it's like, no, I'll let you know when I need you to come get me. So I'm just waiting at this point. I'm not gonna get in the shower because he wanted me to wait for him. I'm actually so happy about these curls. And oh my elbow. Ow. Okay, I'm so happy about this because whenever I go on trips, I like my hair to be done, but I don't like doing it. So I like to look cute while I'm on trips, but I just feel like I look like a gremlin all the time because my hair's a mess. And in Hawaii, my other heatless curler worked because of how humid it was. Because we went during like rainy season, so it was like extra humid, right? I could still have my hair cute. So I haven't do my eyelashes before we go, so I don't have to worry about them. I haven't decided quite yet. I have a few days though. I say a few days. We leave on Tuesday at 3.
Okay, so I was on the phone with Branson. He was saying he doesn't completely know what's up with it. But I'm trying to find this thing right now. I'm trying to find a thing that should basically scan the car like when I plug it in and basically tell me what's wrong with it. The only problem is I don't know what this thing looks like. I just realized some great news. Danielle keeps saying, hey, you know what, if you need me to pick you up, just, you know, tell me, let me know, and I'll run over there and pick you up. It's, you know, no big deal. Well, I can't find the thing that I'm supposed to try to find. Can't find it, at least it's not where they said it was, which is great. But, the Danielle thing, I have both the keys, which is great. So Danielle actually can't come pick me up. I'm so done. So very done.
We've discovered an issue. Ty's truck is here, right? That's what I was gonna take to go pick him up or help him. One problem is he has his AirPods on his key ring and he takes his AirPods with him everywhere he goes, all the time. And so he took his key with him. So that means I can't try to get him.
Okay, so we found a thing. I've been pulling people back and forth. Found this thing that should tell me what the heck is going on with it. So we're just gonna plug it in. I think it goes right in there. Oh, maybe, possibly. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna somebody click read. Do. Tell me what's wrong with it. Tell me. Okay. No, what do you mean no link? It's plugged in. What? So I started and it said 0 codes were there, and yeah, but it started up, it's working. I mean, I don't know if this was magic, and when I plugged it in, it said, hey, we're gonna work now. But I'm not turning this thing back off. Only like an hour later, probably plus. Bag of ice is half gone. This has been great. I am so done with this dumb car. So ready to be home.
So my parents they came straight home from California and then had a wedding to go to, so they took a nap. I think they left at like 4 a.m. Took a nap. When they came back at around, I really like this, and I also really like this. It's coming off, but anyway. Oh yeah, so they came home, took a nap, left again, and they're gonna be gone until either late tonight or early on. This week is crazy for me, I don't know why. I'm getting off track. So they were like, hey, they sent it to a group text to like me and Bryson, Amara, and Ty, and they're like, hey, can you guys take care of Mim and Charlie? Just tomorrow morning and tomorrow night? And we're like, yeah, sure. And Branson texted and was like, hey, we're leaving to go to Mara's parents' house tomorrow night, so we'll take care of the animals tomorrow morning, and then if you guys take care of them tomorrow night, that would work perfect. And we're like, great, that works for us. And then this morning Branson calls and was like, hey, I totally forgot, like I'm super sorry, I totally forgot, can you guys run and take care of the animals? We just have a lot to get ready to go that we didn't realize. And we're like, yeah, of course. So I think Ty left at like noon and it's 3, so I feel bad. He's been out a while. I feel bad. It's like when he left, he's like, oh, I just want to hang out with you and I just want to shower with you. So like wait to shower. I just want to be with you. I just want to hang out with you. And it's like, okay, sounds great. And then he left and I just feel bad. I mean, it's not terrible, but you know, it's not a great situation. Anyway, I'm gonna go shower now. Actually, I'm gonna go to the mailbox in my robe. And then no, I don't want to watch the mailbox in my robe. I don't want people to see me in my robe. I mean, I'm wearing clothes, but I obviously can just wear my clothes out. I have a tank top and shorts on. Hello, sorry we haven't vlogged a ton. I'm not having the greatest day ever. I don't want to talk about it. I'm okay. I'm just not having a very good day. And everything's a mess. Sorry. Anyway, it's 8 o'clock. I think the last time I vlogged was like 4, maybe at the very latest. I don't know. I've kind of been guilt tripping myself about it too, but I've not had a good day. So, I haven't had a bad day. There's just something that happened. I don't know how to explain it without telling you guys because I don't want to talk about it. That's one thing I don't want to talk about on the internet right now. It's nothing bad. It's just something that I want something to happen, and there was a possibility of it happening today, and it didn't happen, and it's like really, really important to me, and I haven't talked about it on video because I wanted to be like, oh, I'll talk about it when it happens and when I can show stuff. And anyway, that's all. So I just haven't had a very good day because of that. I was having a good day, and then I wasn't. I was gonna come up here and do something productive, but I don't know what. So I might start packing for our trip in a few days that I'm hoping I can pull myself together and have fun with that. I know I will. I just don't wanna. I don't know why I'm talking. I think we stop vlogging. I'll vlog when I find whatever productive thing I'm gonna do, or I won't vlog. And if I don't, that means I'm literally just sitting in my bed, probably bed rotting. I won't.
So it's late. I've basically been asleep all day. I got home and was like, I'm gonna lay on the couch where it's nice and cool because Danielle's got a shower when I got home. And I got upstairs and it was just so steamy and hot. I was like, no way. So I lay on the couch, me and Danielle hung out, we cuddled for a minute, and I was out. And then Danielle left to go take care of her parents' animals. And so now I'm gonna make some food. Hopefully I can make it in time because there's all the dishes, we gotta put that in the sink. So hopefully I can have something ready by the time Danielle gets back. That's the goal. We'll see. We will see though. So we have everything kind of going. We're doing half leftovers, half cooking. We got some leftover rice we're warming up. Some leftover gravy that we're warming up. We're making some chicken and rice. Fresh though, so a little bit of half and half. Danielle's still gone. I don't exactly know what she's doing over at number 1. I know she said that she was doing a couple of things. I feel bad because I'm pretty sure she still want me to come because she woke me up to go, but it is late, and I don't know. I don't know how I'm still tired, but I am. I'm gonna sleep good tonight, but yeah.
The other day we came here to put all of the, I swear things are hitting me. Anyway, the other day we came here to put all of the ball pits from the pool into those bins, and we left them out to dry so they didn't mold. And then today I came to get packages from the mail because I accidentally shipped them here. Anyway, we haven't eaten dinner. So it's 10:30 and I think Ty's making food. So I'm gonna head home because I got everything done that I needed to do. And I'm sweating, like I have sweat rolling down my back right now. A little bit, which is crazy because I don't sweat.
She coming. Oh, hey, baby. How was it?
It's good.
That's good. Sorry I didn't go with you. Well, I think dinner's ready.
Dinner at 11 o'clock.
Shh, just don't look at the time. It doesn't even.
Okay.
Okay.
I didn't vlog it, but I redid my nails because I hated the other ones because they just weren't perfect. So I took like 2 hours doing these as smooth as possible. Anyway, I also have my hair in heatless curlers that I said I was gonna vlog, and I didn't. We're gonna go to bed. It's still not the best day, but we're gonna make tomorrow better. I'm gonna make tomorrow better. Ty made today better. Just in general, I got to be with him, and that just made everything that I was having problems with better. Yeah, I still don't want to talk about it, so I'm gonna go to bed. I love you guys. Always remember that you are worth it. Bye, guys.